All right, Lauren Whitney is back, this time with a check of your forecast. I know we have some dangerously windy conditions that are coming tomorrow, going to be impacting so many areas across the Front Range.
Yes, it's just truly terrible. I'd rather have a big dumping of snow and be cold than deal with all of this nasty wind. Right now, it is pretty gusty in parts of the high country and the foothills. From Black Hawk towards Nederland and Idaho Springs, we have winds anywhere from 20 to 50 miles an hour. Berthoud Pass, always gusty, but right now at 41 miles an hour. Denver, the south and west side of town, a bit gustier than the rest of us as we head towards Broomfield, Lakewood, and into Littleton, and winds about 20 to almost 30 miles an hour. And I know Broomfield is on the northwest side of town. And then also near Centennial and Parker, it's a little bit breezy. But tomorrow, it will be a first alert weather day thanks to the high fire danger and the insane wind coming our way once again. So we do have red flag warnings out there, low humidity, gusty winds, really warm temperatures, and these conditions could promote the rapid spread of wildfires and many fire as well. So take a look at what's happening tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. all across the Front Range, parts of the foothills, and to the east. This includes all of Weld County. So it will be a very dangerous situation. We know a lot of folks work outside in Weld County, so it'll be a nasty one for us. And as we head down into parts of southern Colorado, this does include almost the entire I-25 corridor and then into all of southeastern Colorado. Gusty wind, low humidity, incredibly dry conditions on the ground. And of course, these unseasonably warm temperatures are not helping the situation. We also have a high wind watch and a high wind warning. All the orange on your screen, so all of the foothills and into the high country. We are looking at a high wind warning on Wednesday and again on Thursday. Gusts potentially up to 80 miles an hour. And then for parts of Weld County and then into northeastern Colorado, Logan and Morgan counties, we are looking at a high wind watch, gusts up to 60 miles an hour. But wherever you are in these areas, gusty winds, low humidity, and it will be really nasty out there. So 60 to 85 mile per hour gusts possible. Tough day for our high profile vehicle drivers. It'll be tough for your holiday decorations, trash cans. Make sure you're taking in anything you can that could potentially blow away. Right now, 66 in Denver, 68 in Boulder. It's warm already. We're get above our forecast high. 60s out in the eastern plains, lots of 30s in the high country. We'll obviously get a little bit warmer than 66 today. Upper 60s out in the eastern plains. 46 in Steamboat and Vale, 53 in Grand Junction. The rest of the day is warm. It's sunny, and we'll see a little bit more cloud cover as the day goes on. And as we check in with our satellite and radar, it's calm, it's quiet. Today we stay that way. I say calm in terms of moisture. As we get into Wednesday morning, there's a little bit of cloud cover out there, and then we do see some moisture, on and off light snow from the central and northern mountains. And then later in the evening, probably not until 8, 9 o'clock-ish, we'll see a quick burst of some potential rain in Denver. Won't last for long. We may see a little bit pop out towards the eastern plains late on Wednesday night. So you notice on that futurecast, that was not much of anything. So it'll be very light and quick if it comes through. And then we're looking at, again, a first alert weather day on Wednesday, slightly cooler on Thursday, but then we're back to almost 70 on Friday before the 60s and 50s this weekend.
Lauren, thank you. One play by